Alright, we're recording the sewer line at the Seattle gym again. This one is the north side, south side clean out. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing now after jetting. So at that 70-foot mark, that's where I'm at still. I didn't jet this spot because it's broken right here. Major offset. Jetting that, you're asking to break it more. So I didn't send the jetter down to that area. Because you don't want to jet a broken line. There was sections of this one I was able to jet without jetting the broken area. So there were roots throughout some of this section here that I was able to get to. We should be coming up on the break here shortly, and I did not jet through the broken section because, like I said, it's just going to make it worse. So there is like a root or two in the broken section I wasn't able to get to. So here's a broken section coming through. There's a root there, small root there, small root there. So I wasn't able to jet that area because of a deteriorating pipe. It's just going to get worse. But I did get the rest of the line. I was able to skip over that section. So the downstream's open. I also was able to jet out the upstream couple roots that we had this morning. If you watch the video from this morning, there's a large root on the right side of the screen right there that's now gone. And when you get up to the 4x6, right here at the 4x6, there's also a large root section there. And I was able to cut that out as well. So all that being said, the line's in a lot better shape, and hopefully bought some time before the major repair has to be done. Alright, that's it for the day.